Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of my oldest Russian friends left Russia in the aftermath of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine last March, and he moved to Uzbekistan. And we still keep in touch. We message each other every now and then. And the other day we were chatting online, and he said that he hoped the madness of the war would end soon, and that at least some kind of semblance of normality could return. I responded by saying that sadly, the only way I could see the war ending was with a kind of comprehensive defeat of the Russian military on the battlefield, and that the idea that it might end soon was just wishful thinking. If you describe something as wishful thinking, you're basically saying that the other person is imagining or discussing a situation as if it were possible and might actually happen, when really you don't think it is possible and you don't think it will sort of ever happen. So you hear things like, it's wishful thinking to expect any meaningful change under the current government. In other words, listen, you can hope for change as much as you want. You can dream about it, you can talk about it, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think these conversations you're having about it are just examples of wishful thinking. Maybe looking back on doomed relationships of your past, you might complain saying, it's my own fault. I was a bit of an idiot. I thought she liked me, or I thought he liked me. But now I realise it was just wishful thinking on my part. I imagined it and it wasn't really real. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use wishful thinking.